All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Alfred's Essentials of Music Theory, Unit 1, Lesson 1. Okay, this is kind of where it all begins in the Alfred series. And let's just dig right into it and let's not waste no time. So, music is written on a staff of 5 lines and 4 spaces in between. So you can see that it's just 5 lines and then also these spaces in between. That's what the staff is called. Music notes are oval-shaped symbols that are placed on the lines and in the spaces that represent musical sounds called pitches. So you can see that notes can go on the lines or the spaces. Okay. The lines of the staff are numbered from bottom to top, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same with the spaces, bottom to top, 1, 2, 3, 4. So again, 5 lines, 4 spaces. If the notes appear higher on the staff, they sound higher in pitch. If the notes appear lower on the staff, they sound lower in pitch. Okay, so pretty basic stuff. But let's get right into the work and make sure that you all know how to do it. So, I mean, you could get a straight edge here by connecting to the dots. They want you to draw your own staff. Just draw it, unless you're a perfectionist, which I am not. I just prefer to get it done. Boom. There we go. And that's a staff, 5 lines. Obviously, if you were doing something that, you were going to write music, you'd want them straight. So let's go through. On the staff, mark an X in the following locations. I'm just going to go super quick because this is so basic, just so you can check your work. Space 2 right there, just count the spaces, 1, 2. Line 1 there, space 4. Line 5, space 1. Line 4, there we go. Space 3, line 2, there you go. All right, now we're going to kind of draw notes. So it's basically the same thing we did here, but with ovals. Write notes like this on the following lines and spaces. Line 1, boom, try to get the line to go right through the note. Space 2, get that right in between, like it's stuck in between the 2 lines. Line 3, boom, space 1. Line 5, space 3, line 2, and line 4. There you go. So this is just to get you familiar with handwriting. Handwriting is super important, I believe, when you're doing music theory. It's nice to be able to jot things down, especially if you're a private teacher and you have students someday or just whatever. Indicate whether the second note is higher or lower than the first note by using an H for higher or an L for lower. So is this note higher or lower? Obviously it's lower because it's visually lower. It's going to be higher because the second note is visually higher. Higher, lower, lower, higher. Boom, easy peasy. That is Unit 1, Lesson 1.